You're tuning into Black and White Sports on YouTube. The no-holds-barred truth on sports. The main event starts now.
Welcome to blackwhitenetwork.com. We're running a sale, guys. 15% off everything in the merch store, including our new Freedom shirt with the bald eagle on the front. And of course, our best-selling shirt is our America 250 Bald Eagle Edition shirt with the America 250 flag on the back. We also have hats, our Patriot 1776 shirt. We have our hoodies, zip-up hoodies, other hats as well, including coffee mugs. Also, memberships are available on the website. $10 a month. When you sign up, you get a 7-day free trial. You can also save money by getting the annual plan. You get member videos, also access to our Friday member stream that we have every single Friday. If you would like to donate to us, you can do it directly on the website. $5, $10, $20, whatever you guys want to give. We do appreciate the support. Well, black and white sports fans, yesterday we found out that NASCAR legend Kyle Busch passed away at the very, very young age of 41. Everybody was stunned. I don't know if many people actually saw this coming, but guys, we got some details here, including the 911 call. And we probably know what actually led to his death. It's still kind of speculation at this point, but pretty much, guys, the weeks leading up to his death, man, was a telltale sign. Something was seriously wrong. Now, I did mention yesterday in my video that during a race, I believe like 11, 12 days ago or so, he was actually calling for a doctor when he was actually finished with a race. And apparently he had some type of a sinus infection. And that infection may have actually led to his death. This is really, really sad, guys. It really, really is. He leaves behind children and a wife. This is sad, man. It really is. But let's go ahead and do this, guys, because we got some details on what actually happened the day before he passed away. So here we go. So right over here, we actually have two articles here. NASCAR's Kyle Busch found unresponsive in race simulator before death. Yes. And he was actually still dealing with this sinus infection. Look here, it says, more details about the shocking death of 41-year-old racing NASCAR star Kyle Busch have emerged, with the latest information revealing he had been found unresponsive in a race simulator ahead of being hospitalized on Thursday. And of course, he also passed away that day. It says here, according to the New York Post, Busch was found unconscious in a race simulator in Concord, North Carolina on Thursday, just before being transported to the hospital. Busch had been suffering an ongoing sinus problem and even noted early in May that he was undergoing a physician's care for the issue. The Associated Press reported at the time that Busch had been struggling with a sinus cold exacerbated by the intense G-forces and elevation changes at the New York road course. He also mentioned a problem during an interview with The Athletic and said, quote, "You can kind of hear it. I'm still not great. The cough was pretty substantial last week." Wow. But over here, this is the 911 call here, folks, of Kyle Busch before he was actually transported to the hospital where he would actually die. And he was actually struggling to breathe. He had a fever and he was coughing up blood. Coughing up blood, folks. Now, the person on the call, I'm trying to see exactly who he is. I mean, it doesn't really matter here, but let's go ahead and listen to this. But the caller is going to say that Kyle Busch was awake. But let's listen in. Here we go.
Could I get an ambulance to come to W, Concord, North Carolina?
Say the street name one more time.
It's
And what's your name? And tell me exactly what's happened.
I've got an individual that's shortness of breath, very hot, thinks he's going to pass out, and is producing a little bit of blood, coughing up some blood.
Okay, and how old is this person? Male or female? And is he awake?
He is awake. He's awake. He's on the bathroom floor right now.
Okay.
So when you come in, if you could not make it, can you turn the sirens off?
Yeah, that's fine.
When you get here, and so when you come into the main entrance of the building, the closest way to get to him is if you go to the left. Like you'll come in and the parking lot splits to the right or the left. Just tell them to go to the left. I'll be out here waiting on them, and I'll flag them down. There's a side door further down the side of the building that I'll be there waiting on them.
Okay, we got him coming out there. Just nothing else for him to eat or drink. And if he gets worse in any way before they get there, just call us back. What was the exact name of your business back there?
It's called the General Motors Charlotte Technical Center. It's off of Speedway Boulevard. It's right beside HMS Motorsports.
Okay.
Hendrick Motorsports. Yeah.
We will let EMS know, okay? We got him coming out there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And bye.
Wow. So you guys heard that right there. Struggling to breathe. He was conscious, but felt like he was going to pass out, and he was coughing up blood. This is horrific, guys. This is just really, really sad, man. And it definitely seems like him being in a racing simulator definitely didn't help matters whatsoever. Those G-forces, man, that actually knocked him unconscious. So I'm wondering if he would have actually been alive if he wasn't in that simulator. I don't know. He'd been struggling for weeks, guys, with this sinus infection. But he still wanted to go out there and do what he loved to do, racing cars. So that 911 call, guys, definitely kind of gives us some details what actually causes death. Nothing official yet. I'm pretty sure there's probably going to be an autopsy. I'm assuming. Could be wrong about that. But still. So there you have it, guys. What do you guys make of this? That 911 call, man. Man, he was definitely suffering. He really was. That's just my thoughts on this. What do you guys think of this? Black and white sports fans, let us know what you think about all this in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching the show. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to tune in next time on Black and White Sports.